is the best way to get around Curacao. Public transportation won't take you everywhere, and taxis will cost you a fortune to see every nook and cranny of the island. So this video is here to help you drive safely on your vacation.
I'm Shady, a traveler and Curacao expert. Let me show you around.
This island, we drive on the right side of the road, meaning that right-of-way is given to the right inbound cars.
Officially, left is the overtaking lane, but in practice, cars use both the left and the right lane for overtaking. Knowing the most important road signs will make your driving on the island less stressful. So here's what they mean. Crossroad with priority. Give priority to the traffic on the main road ahead. Stop and give right-of-way to the traffic on the road ahead. No entry in this direction. Only straight traffic allowed in this direction. Pedestrian crossing, mostly found near schools.
Beware of speed bumps. They can be found in many places throughout the island. Sometimes they're not indicated, so look out for them and drive slowly over them. Another thing to beware of is potholes. They can sometimes sneak up on you.
Wearing a safety belt is a must, especially for the driver and the front seat passenger. Don't forget to use the turn signal when making a turn. A red light always means stop, even if you're making a right turn.
This will probably not happen to you, but in case of an accident, do not move your car and call 199. Driving is the best way to get around here.